Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be making a very nutritious and tasty tea, and it is full of health benefits for your body. I am going to use only natural ingredients, 3 ingredients or 4 ingredients to make this tea. And the benefits of these ingredients, one of the benefits of these ingredients is that it is high in antioxidants and packed with vitamin content, especially vitamin C, flavonoids, and essential oils like lemon, which helps to combat oxidative stress and boost immune system and also helps with inflammation. Have you guessed which fruit is it as yet? As you can see, one of the ingredients is ginger. Yes, and we know that ginger is very good for inflammation. So I will crush the ginger and add it to 2 cups of water and allow it to boil for a couple minutes. Then turn off the fire and allow it to draw. Here I am crushing some turmeric also, but turmeric is not the ingredients that I will use with this tea. I was going to use turmeric, but my mind changed and I said no, just use these two natural ingredients, this fruit and the ginger. Oh, you've guessed it, guys. Yes, this is orange, but what kind of orange? I am not just using any orange. I am using civil orange or sour orange. So I've gone ahead and I've washed the orange in baking soda and scrub it with my kitchen brush that I use to clean my vegetables and fruits. Now I am slicing it and I'm going to peel a little part and drop it into the pot with the ginger and allow it to boil with some of the slices. But I am going to pour some of the slices into a cup or a glass and pour some of the ginger water on it and allow it to draw. I'm going to try and even squeeze some of the juice out. Yes. Squeeze some of the juice out into the glass with the ginger water. But did you know that this orange aid with gastric juice stimulation and bowel stimulation and helps with digestion of heavy or fatty meals? The bitter taste compounds help to stimulate all that, the bile and the gastric juice. It is also good for weight management since it helps with metabolism, and it is good for the cardiovascular system. The flavonoids like hesperidin and naringin can help manage blood pressure and strengthen the blood vessels. The high content of vitamin C also supports collagen production, promoting beautiful and healthy skin. For those with asthma or any respiratory disease, it is a good relief for respiratory problems. It helps with congestion and coughing due to their anti-inflammatory properties that it has. After the ginger has been drawn and the orange peel and few slices has been boiled and all of that goodness is extracted into the water, I'm going to pour the water into the glass with the oranges that were sliced and allow it to sit for half an hour or 10 minutes to half an hour, I should say, and cover it, allow it to draw, then remove the oranges and strain, then add a teaspoon of honey or 2 teaspoons depending on your taste, and drink warm. Trust me, guys, this tastes so good and it is healthy. You should try it. Please remember, if you have come this far into the video and you haven't liked or subscribed, please like and subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know if you're going to try